Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Subway. My name is Pulkit and today we are going to review a smartwatch from Huami Amazfit. So let's get started.
So let's start with the unboxing. Now inside the box, you'll see the watch itself, the charging port and the user manual leaflet. Now let's come back to the watch. As soon as you see the watch, you can easily make out that the design is inspired from one of the renowned brand. But I'm not gonna give you any hint, guys. However, if I talk about the build, it is kind of okay. It is extremely lightweight as it just weighs 31 grams and comes with a square display which is surrounded by thick black bezels at the corners. And in the middle, it has got 1.28-inch 176 pixel color resolution with an always on display. The crown is on the right and it has got the tactile feel and sound. And it also feels premium. Now, a lot of people might not like the lightweight design, but I am quite impressed by the feel of the watch. Along with matte plastic build and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen, I feel it has got the right amount of sturdiness for a daily wear smartwatch. Plus, the watch comes with IP68 rating, which means it's protected from dust and can be submerged into 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Now the bib comes in 3 colors, black, grey and orange. But the black one looks the best amongst the all. Also, if I talk about the strap is a standard 20mm. So if you want to swap this with another bands, you can. If we talk about the display looks amazing in outdoors, especially in direct sunlight. But the display looked pretty ordinary when used in artificial or low light. So if you are using the watch in artificial lighting or low lighting conditions, you will have to lift up your wrist to wake up the screen or manually light the display by clicking the crown. Also, let me tell you that it does not come with an auto brightness sensor. And overall, the feel of the watch is a bit of a hit and a miss. But considering the price point, we can't complain more. However, a more sturdy design plus a better display would have been more appreciated. Now the watch comes with variety of watch faces and each of them is nicely designed and you can change it according to your ambience. From decent to artistry look, you get all of it and you can change it from the Mi Fit app or from the smartwatch itself. Now let's see how you can connect this with your smartphone. Switch on the Bluetooth option on your smartphone and pair with Amazfit bib. Now download the Mi Fit app on your smartphone and go into option Select Device to Pair. Select Amazfit bib and you will see it has already started to pair. Now this will take about 20 minutes as your watch is getting ready to be used. Now let's talk about its software. Now the bib runs its own operating system in conjunction with the Mi Fit app. The app syncs with the watch and takes control of tracking and record keeping. Now the interface found on the watch is very simple and decent. First you click on the crown to unlock the watch. Starting with the main face, you just have to swipe right for the major options. Tap the one you want for more details. Now we'll start with the status option. Now this lets you access your current steps, heart rate, distance traveled and the calories which you have burned. The weather option tells you the current temperature and condition, plus swiping it up reveals the 5-day forecast as well. Now let's move to activity option. Now this will allow you to keep a track of the heart rate, GPS and the calorie which you have burned with the watch GPS, pedometer and heart rate monitor when you are walking, running and cycling. And most of the times it will give you accurate results. But keep in mind that you cannot track your heart rate for every activity. For example, when you're doing your weight trainings, for that I guess we all will have to wait for the MeFit app to get updated with more features. Now this also comes with an built-in stopwatch for record keeping of your time. And it also comes with an alarm option. It vibrates on your wrist to wake you up. And I really enjoy this alarm more than the one on my smartphone, which bangs on my head in the morning. Now you can also use the compass feature on this smartwatch. Now before you use this feature, you have to move your watch around in a figure 8 pattern to calibrate. Then you can see your location on the left screen. Now here, west shows the direction you're facing to. Now this watch also lets you access to your emails, calls and messages. Just swipe up the main face and you are on the notification tab. You can read each email on the watch and decide how to dispose of the message. Swiping down lets you toggle a do not disturb mode that disables notifications. Now all these features which we just discussed can be used from your smartwatch. But let's also talk about the MeFit app. Now as we said before, the app syncs the data and stores information such as location, steps, heart rate, distance and other information from your watch. Now the app also helps you activate alerts specifically from Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube and etc. But guys, the communication happens only in one direction. You cannot respond to the alerts on this watch. Now this smartwatch also comes with a sleep tracker, and the MeFit app tells you in detail about the time you had deep sleep, light sleep and the time which you were awake. Now other important feature of the smartwatch is you can find your lost smartphone by clicking on Find Device from the settings menu. But keep this in mind that the Find Device and Incoming Call feature can only be used within the Bluetooth range of the smartphone, which is about 10 meters. Now let's talk about its battery life. And I must say that it is one of the biggest selling point of this smartwatch. Now it comes with built-in 190 mAh lithium polymer battery, and the company claims that it can last up to 45 days.
But with my usage of this smartwatch, which included continuous heart rate sensor, incoming call, app alerts, I'm still left with 40% of battery life after 2 weeks. Which means that given practical usage of the smartwatch, it can give up to 25 to 30 days of battery life. So guys, overall, the Amazfit Bip is one of the least expensive fitness tracker which comes with both GPS and heart rate monitor. It also comes with a decent app and let you read your notifications from your app. And you can use the incoming call feature to ignore or reject calls. But if you're somebody who's looking for a more sophisticated smartwatch which comes with music storage, a dedicated app and the ability to respond to emails and text, then we would suggest you should look out for Apple or Fitbit series. But if you're somebody who does not have a higher budget and is looking for its first smartwatch, then I must say it is a great smartwatch to start with. You kind of get a hang of almost every feature with few shortcomings at 5,499 Indian rupees. And I personally will give a thumbs up to this smartwatch from Amazfit. So guys, this was it from our today's video. Do let us know about your queries or your suggestions in the comment section below. Also give us a like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye for now.